In this video, we're going to cover the basics of setting up wireless networking on a W model appliance with integrated wireless access point. You can see the status of your wireless access points on the control center. If you have an appliance with built-in wireless, the access point will be configured with default settings after the initial setup. Clicking the widget on the dashboard takes us to the wireless access point list, where we can see additional information such as its status, channel selection, group assignment, country, and more. By default, wireless model access points are pre-configured with a wireless network called Sophos, broadcasting an SSID of the same name using WPA2 encryption with a default passphrase provided here in the description. You can change the SSID to something of your choosing and change the passphrase here as well. Under Advanced Settings, you can change the encryption type and choose whether you want wireless devices to see each other or not. If you like, you can add other wireless networks, for example, guest access. You can have up to 8 SSIDs per radio. You can then change the band for the access point. Integrated internal access points only have a single radio, so you can either choose 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz, but not both. External access points have dual radios and can broadcast on both frequencies at the same time. You can then choose the channel if you wish, or leave it on auto, which will determine the best channel at startup. Since dynamic channel selection can be disruptive, we recommend you leave that unchecked unless absolutely necessary. All wireless-related settings are available in the Wireless Protection menu. Here you can edit your wireless networks, set up mesh networking, manage your access points as we have just done, set up and manage access point groups, manage hotspots, and set up rogue access point scanning. Other settings relevant to your wireless access point include DHCP settings, so that your wireless devices can get an IP address after connecting to the access point. These are found in System, Network, DHCP. You can see here that there are predefined DHCP services for the default Sophos wireless network as well as a guest network. Lastly, your internal access point presents itself as an interface on the device. It's listed here on the interfaces for your firewall. You can set the zone associated with the interface. You can set it to Wi-Fi if you wish to keep your wireless traffic segmented from your LAN Ethernet traffic, in which case you will need to set up a policy to enable traffic to flow between Wi-Fi and LAN, or you can set it up to the LAN zone, which will take advantage of existing LAN policies already set up to enable traffic to flow securely.